Today, I worked on a vehicle where the customer reported that the check engine light was on. After connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue, I found code P0171, which stands for System Too Lean, Bank 1. This code usually indicates that the air-fuel mixture is too lean, meaning there's too much air or not enough fuel. I began investigating to pinpoint the root cause of the problem. First, I inspected the air intake system for any obvious faults, such as loose hoses, cracks, or blockages. Everything looked fine, so I decided to dig deeper using a smoke machine. By introducing smoke into the intake system, I could detect any leaks that might not be visible during a simple visual inspection. However, no smoke escaped, confirming there were no leaks in the intake system. Next, I performed a visual inspection of the throttle body. As soon as I removed the air intake hose and got a closer look, I found that the throttle body was clogged with carbon deposits. Over time, carbon buildup can restrict airflow and affect the air-fuel mixture, leading to issues like the P0171 code. To resolve the issue, I cleaned the throttle body thoroughly, removing all the carbon deposits. After the cleaning, I reassembled everything, cleared the fault codes using the scan tool, and took the car for a road test. The engine ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. This repair is a good reminder of how important regular maintenance is, especially for components like the throttle body. Carbon buildup is a common issue, but it's something that can be easily addressed with the right tools and methods. If you're dealing with a P0171 code, don't overlook the throttle body. It might just be the culprit.